Madeline and my dad Anthony, and we got a package in the mail today, and that is our iPhone 12 Pro Maxes. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell. Alright, Dad, you ready to unbox these?
Let's get it.
Just need scissors. You need some
I bet your mom is excited.
Yep. I'm excited too to see.
Ooh, they are color boxed. Zoom in on that.
Yeah.
So I got the blue one. Mama got the gold one.
Yeah, they're a little dusty. I don't know why, but they are.
So what do you say we open these up? Green tab.
I don't know green tab. Oh.
Pull it that way.
This one?
That way. Down.
Just do it.
Just pull it that way. Just act like a kid at Christmas.
Huh?
Just act like a kid at Christmas.
Yeah, I'm gonna be careful because I don't want to break the phone. No, we'll just look at
All right, same time. 1, 2, 3. My thing come open.
Ooh, I like your color.
Look at them
Mama's
cameras, they look
nice.
fancy.
Yeah, yours looks more dark. Mom's looks light. Hey, and do you want to know what I noticed?
What'd you notice?
You know, around the camera, it's like gold, and yours is blue because your phone can't
The trim.
Yeah.
All right, let's pick this up. Let's pull the screen off. Let's wipe these.
It comes off so smoothly.
So this is a really cool color.
Yeah. They're both really cool.
It's got a shiny trim.
Yeah, hers kind of looks white, like a lightish color. Like really, really light.
So this really reminds me of an old school iPhone 4, iPhone 5. If you can come in and look at that, the way the trim is made on it, it's like it's more of a square, still shiny look. It's really sleek. It's like speakers on the bottom still. The plug.
Where's the plug?
Let's look.
It comes with its own charger. Just now noticed that.
It's like a little sticker.
Where'd you find that?
Inside of the package up there. And then it looks like some little instructions in there. You get a cord, no base. I'm gonna get a base with this. So my first thoughts on it is this camera looks really, really nice. Not that the iPhone 10, we have the XSC Max currently, and the camera on it is excellent. I'm really curious to see how much better this one is. It's supposed to have a lot stronger screen, more durable. Just a few things that I read on it before getting it. That's about it. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it helps you guys make a decision if you were on the fence about getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Also, we try to keep this video short, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and ask, and I can tell you my experiences with it, whatever kind of questions you got.
And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and
ring that
bell.
bell.